Namaskar. Today I wish to talk about a few things, share a few things, and bring a few things to light and be a little breeze in between the two lectures that you have. Today let us take the topic of the actor who passed away recently, Sushant Singh Rajput. I was really heartbroken when I heard this news. That is because I was following his serial very ardently, very passionately, and I liked his performance. It was an untimely exit that I felt. His teleseries, which you must be aware of, yes, Pavitra Rishta, it was going on so well. A middle class mechanic, and his story with the twists and turns that we normally have in a Hindi drama. But this was not what was expected of a brilliant student coming from a middle class family, a physics Olympiad winner, and who had interest in various fields. For example, like astrophysics or neurobiology. He was a well read person. Recently, when he talked in front of the college students, he also said that with money and fame has come this recognition, to which I'm slowly getting accustomed to. In 2019, he felt now he is with par or with comfort with himself and knows what to do next. And this was not what was expected. No, but various reasons that it must be. But when I read about the 12th standard students who have committed a suicide the next day when the results are declared, or a girl who commits suicide and then actually it comes out that she has passed her examination, is that the end? Is that what your life is about? Actually, this 12th standard is nothing but a passing phase in your life. What does it matter? If your scores are low, don't you have a second chance? Always, we are evaluated by the scores that we have. Definitely, they are important, but not so big as to take one's life. Your life is much bigger. And what right do we have to take a life? The life which was given, bestowed by your parents to you, and they expect something from you. Not this, definitely not this. So it has nothing but opened a Pandora box, due to which various problems, various questions have been dealt with. And you are mature enough today to think about it, to think that this should not be the end. Whatever the outcome of your scores, whatever the outcome of your exams are not important in your life. You always have a second chance. Now, this is what I want to share with you, is that your life is the biggest. You can earn money, you can earn fame, you can earn recognition, you have the family to support you, you have your friends with you. Isn't all that more important to you? So when you think of your 12th standard, also think of the environment around you, the problems around you, and how you are going to face them. So most of you are well read. You must have read so many books together. If not, make it a point to read them when you have time. Once you appear for your board exams, you will be free. You will be going out in a bigger universe, in a bigger sphere, in an occupation or probably a vocation of your own choice, where I expect you to do good. Which means if you fail in one of the things, are you a failure? Definitely not. This failing will actually teach you a good lesson, and that is what we expect of you. A success story is a story, it ends there, it has an end. But your failing will also help you to grow better, to know yourself better. But of course, with which I definitely not mean that you fail in what you do, but take it into stride and move forward. Your success mantra should be whatever that life deals with you, whatever that you face, you should be able to confront it very confidently, definitely, with the skills that you have, the talents that you possess, and also whatever is expected of you by your family. Suppose you do well in your examinations, your parents are going to be very, very proud of you. But if you don't do well, are they going to disown you? Definitely not. And hence, having this confidence in your mind, I think you should go forward, plunge forward, move forward, and do what you do best, because you yourself know yourself better. You know what you are good at, you know what you can do of life, and hence this is only a chance that you have. And this chance, I think you should grab it, convert it into an opportunity, do well, and hence best of luck from all of us here. Thank you.